Hello and welcome to Tech News, your information source for Aldine Technology Services. I'm Robert Faber, Computer Repair Supervisor and your host. We'd like to welcome you to our pilot episode of Tech News. In this episode, we'd like to show you some famous technology quotes, as well as give you some insights to some new consumer technologies. Now here at Technology Services, we give thanks for the technologies that make our lives more comfortable and bring information to us with ease. Here's what a few famous people said about technology. Carl Sagan on digital information. All of the books in the world contain no more information than is broadcast as video in a single American city in a single year. Not all bits have equal value. Bill Gates on RAM. No one will ever need more than 640K of RAM. Thomas Watson, CEO of IBM, on the market for computers. I think there's a world market for about 5 computers. Arthur C. Clarke on technology. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. J.K. Rowling in the Harry Potter series of books. Never trust anything that can think for itself if you can't see where it keeps its brain. Mother Teresa on technology. Technology is a way of organizing the universe so man doesn't have to experience it. And lastly, Senator Ted Stevens of Alaska on the internet. It's not a big truck, it's a series of tubes. Now we'd like to give you some insight into some new consumer technologies. Throw any of these names out to a teenager and they can tell you exactly what it is and how they're using it. Twitter, WiMAX, cloud computing, smartphones. Twitter is a socially networking service that is used to upload and read tweets. A tweet is a short microblog post that you can send to your BFFs. Twitter was heavily used in the recent presidential campaign to keep supporters of both candidates updated in real time. WiMAX. WiMAX is a wireless broadband data connectivity, and it is currently being widely tested in Baltimore, Maryland. At reportedly blazing download speeds, you can connect your laptop to the internet and conduct business or pleasure while continuing your journey down the road without dropping the connection. That is, at least until you hit a tree. Now, cloud computing is a relatively new buzzword, and there are various definitions floating around. Basically, it gives a user instant access to virtual servers over the internet, supposedly eliminating the need for building additional infrastructure or training. It is at an early stage, so this is something we need to watch. Now, many of you already have smartphones, the ones that allow you to watch TV, browse the internet, make phone calls, check email, text message, and a whole slew of other applications, all while attempting to appear attentive to the person who is sitting in front of you trying to talk to you. Some of the newer smartphone apps include ones that use a camera in the phone to take a picture of a barcode and then tell you where you can buy that item cheaper, or one that can hold the phone to the radio and pick up the digital tag of the song that you're listening to, and then tell you who recorded it and even download it to your phone. We live in exciting times. We'd like to thank you for watching our pilot episode of Tech News. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at technews@aldine.k12.tx.us, and you can be part of our video viewer mail. Again, I'm Robert Faber, your host. And from all of us at Tech News, have a happy Thanksgiving. And remember, when tech news breaks, we fix it.